Hey Print Hustlers, Bruce from Printavo, simple shop management software. I've got a really cool topic, and what it's called is retargeted advertising. Now, retargeted advertising is big because people need to see your company and brand multiple times, generally before they make a decision to go with you, right? Branding is all about being everywhere. It's about hosting the party, essentially, right? It's about you being that cool person there and everybody wanting to come hang out. Now, how you do this is you really have to get people to see it over and over for a long, consistent amount of time, for years. If you think of probably the biggest brand in the US, maybe Coca-Cola, and just how long they've been around and how much they've put into marketing and advertising. Now, just getting started in your community or your area, your city, or your niche of printing, one way to do this is as you're starting to market and bring people in and have returning customers come back and all that, you can utilize retargeting advertising to help them see you to make that decision. Have you ever gone to Amazon maybe and put something in your cart, or another website and added something to your cart, but then you left, and then you started seeing that product everywhere as you go on Facebook, as you go on random websites, and it's always there in a sidebar at the top or in your feed? That's retargeting advertising. And what it does is it reminds you that, hey, we're here, come check us out again. Now, this works based on cookies. It works fairly well as well. And the way to get into it is using a tool really called AdRoll. Now, there are two main tools. One is more advanced and one is basic. We suggest AdRoll as it's the more basic option to get going. That's AdRoll.com. The other one that's more advanced is called Perfect Audience. Perfect Audience allows you to get a little bit more customizable in how you want to set things up, but I think AdRoll is a great way to get started. The big thing here is that you will go into AdRoll.com and you will add what's called a pixel, like a script, onto your website, and that script on your website is tracking the people who go to your website. Now, you don't want to just usually target every single person going to any page on your website, because that could bring in wasted ad spend on people who are not probably your target customer. So for example, if you have a screen printing website that's got a couple different pages like About Us, Contact Us, Portfolio, and your homepage, you may want to target the people that have been to your homepage and went to your contact page. Those two, then you can start sending ads and you'll build out those ads. So using AdRoll, you can create different advertisements. There's a tool called Canvas as well that can automatically help you create your ads and then publish them on AdRoll for you. Then on AdRoll, you'll set up a spend. For example, you'll say everybody who went to your homepage and your contacts page, I want to show them an ad, this ad, for example, everywhere for the next 30 days. I would set this, and you could start as low as $5 a day or so, and just let that run. Watch people click back. The more advanced step is if you can connect this to a true sale, which we'll also go over in the future. Now, that also involves connecting through APIs, a couple different tools. So for example, going back to your website, if you want to say that this person actually generated a sale, you'd have to connect your shop management platform, if you use Printavo, back into a website that connects to the customer. And you can do this in Excel. You can do this with our integration with Zapier. It's actually fairly easy, but we can walk through that later. Once this happens, this is going to help generate your boost. This is going to remind people. This is going to help be an automated way to follow up with customers. So super exciting way. Definitely check it out. Remember AdRoll, a Perfect Audience. Take a look. Hopefully that's helpful.